This video presents you how to calculate present value of annuity using MS Excel present value function. Now, what is the present value of annuity? Present value of annuity discounts the future cash flows, that is continuous cash flows, and gives you what is its value as on today. Assuming that you are receiving a cash flows of 50,000 every year for the next 5 years, that is, you made an investment in a business and your business is returning you a cash flows of 50,000 every year for the next 5 years. So you are interested in knowing what is its present value. It is not that every year you are making a return of 50,000. So 50,000 into 5 years, 2,50,000 is a cash flows. So that is a notional cash flow, but its present value differs because of effect of inflation and interest rate and investment opportunities. So the present value will be vary from your actual cash flows. Now, how is it we calculate the present value of annuity? Present value of annuity is calculated using an equation future value into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n whole divided by r, or in other words, it is reciprocal of future value annuity factor. So we see here our expected cash flows. We are saying that we are expecting a cash flows of 50,000 every year for next 5 years, and our discount rate is our opportunity cost or expected rate of return or cost of capital. Any rate that you want to discount is 11%. So 11% I am taking in a decimals 0.11. So how is it we are going to calculate the present value of annuity? For this we use Excel built-in function PV. So this equals to PV present value, that is our what is our rate of interest is 11% and number of periods is 5 and payment. So payment, we'll put a minus symbol and take a 50,000 payment for every year for the next 5 years. So our present value is 1,84,794. It's not 2,50,000.